The same base means I will use x power of 5. Product means multiplication with x power of 3. Product means multiplication of powers with same base. Look at this. Here there is a multiplication product and same base. Both are x and both are having different powers. In this case, how can we multiply this? If this is a number 2 with the power of 5, you know how to expand that to find the number as 32, and 2 with the power of 3 means 8. Then 32 times 8 you should multiply, but in this case we do not have a known base. The bases are with algebraic values, so that means those are unknown values. In these cases, while multiplying them, if the same bases are multiplying, you should write the same base in your answer, and the powers, the indices should be added with each other. This would be the correct answer, x with the power of 8. Okay, it's not addition. Look at this carefully. Same bases multiplying. So in this case, to find the final resultant answer, write the same base in your answer. If those same bases are multiplying with each other, you should add the powers. Same bases are multiplying with each other, you should add the powers. Same thing applicable for division as well. In division cases, if I have y power of 7 divided by y power of 2, in this case, same bases divided with each other. In this case, write the same base in your answer. If there is a division in between these same bases, you should subtract their indices. So finally, it will give you y power of 5 as your answer. Same basis multiplication, add the powers. Same basis division, subtract the powers. That's all for the product of powers with the same base. So in the first question, all the bases are same. While using same basis in multiplication, you should add the powers. 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will become x power of 6. No any multiplication. Okay? We are adding the powers. If I have 2x into 2x into 2x, you cannot add the 2 and 2 and 2 and 6x. This is wrong. This is totally wrong, because if in those cases you should multiply the numbers 2 into 2 into 8, x into x into x, x cube. That would be the expansion. But here the case is totally different. Same basis with some powers. So in those cases you should add those powers. That's the proper method to find the product of powers with the same base. Now let's discuss the second question. All the bases are y power of 5. Next one, it does not have any power. That means we can include it as 1, not 0. It should be y with the power of 1. So when you add 5 plus 1 plus 6, it will become 5 with the power of 12. Here look at this. There are two different bases. M cube and m are there. N square and n power of 6 are there. So you should do the operation between them separate. I will do m cube into m power of 1. So both are same bases. We have to multiply them. That means add the powers. 3 plus 1, it will become 4. Then do the operation between n square and n power of 6. Here also the bases are same. Look at this. Same bases with the powers are should be added with each other. I'll repeat again here, combination of more than one variable. Just bring same variables together, m cube and m power of 1. Since the multiplication, you should add the powers. Here also, since the multiplication, you should add the powers. Hereafter, you cannot do anything. Mn power of 12, likewise, you cannot write, because those are not having same basis. No, without same basis, we cannot do anything further than this. It would be the final answer. And next, final question, x with the power of 1, x power of 5, x power of 7. All bases are same. We will add the powers. So 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, it would be 13. X with the power of 13, that is the correct answer. In the same product of powers with same base, we will do the next type of question. 2b square multiplied with 5b cube times 3b. This is the question. Here there are some numbers, indices and bases. We will make them together. I will bring all the numbers together first of all. So the numbers are 2 times 5 times 3. And the bases, the b based indices, b power of 2 and b power of 3, and we have b power of 1. B means b power of 1. You cannot add them because these are not indices. No, these are just numbers, numerical multiplication. You should do the multiplication between these numbers. Don't add them. Don't misinterpret the concept. With same basis multiplication only, you should add the indices. So 2 times 5 it's 10, times 3 it's 30. And b square, b with the power of 3, b with the power of 1. So all are having b as a base. So we will add the powers. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 it would be 6. 30 multiplied with b power of 6, it's 30 b power of 6. Okay, that means the number multiplied with this one without the multiplication mark, you can show your answer like this. The next question, 5x cube multiplied with 4y square into x power of 4. These are your questions. In here also you should bring the numbers together. 5 times 4. Then same basis, x power of 3 there and x power of 4 there. And only single y based value, which is y square, I will keep it aside. And 5 times 4 it's 20. Product of same basis, so it will become x with the power of 3 plus 4 is 7. Y, that is an individual base, there is no any pair for it, so it will remain same. Don't do anything with x and y, those are different bases. Finally your answer would be 20x power of 7 and y square. This would be the correct answer for the question. Do the numerical multiplication separately, same base multiplication separately. So in the first question, I'll multiply the numbers. 2 times 4, it's 8. 8 times 5, 40. Then the indices x power of 2, x power of 5, x power of 3. X, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 3, it would be 10. 40 x power of 10. Next, 2. Only 2 is here. And y power of 7, y power of 2. Both together, y power of 7 plus 2, it's 9. Third question, I'll multiply the numbers. 7 times 2, it's 14. 14 times 4, it's 56. P. There are some P, P power of 5, P power of 1. So both together, P power of 5 plus 1 is 6. And N powers, N power of 4, N power of 3, that will become N power of 7. Then in the last question, 12 times 3, 36 times 2, it's 72. B powers, B power of 3, B power of 2 will become 3 plus 2 is 5. A power of 5 and there is another A. That means A power of 1. It will become A power of 6. These are the correct answers in product of powers with the same base. Remember the concept. It's easy.